Schierl here. Today we're with Heather, and we're talking about objects found in tires.
You know, there's some wild stuff that you can find in tires these days.
So these are things that when something comes in, they've had a flat tire or sounds in their tires, and things that we pull out of tires.
Yes. Yep, there's all sorts of things. Some people will come in because they just notice that their tire is leaking. Sometimes they'll actually notice when they hit something. They'll hear that going down the road, especially something like this where you've got it all stuck in there. But wow, anything can happen these days with them.
So tell me a little bit about this.
Yep, that one was a really fun one. When it came in, there was nothing sticking out of the tire or anything. You could just hear it kind of rattling around in there. So we all made some guesses as to what it was. And we're thinking maybe something like little metal or something because it really wasn't making a big noise. Well, we were very surprised when that came out.
So how this happens is it punctured the rubber, goes inside, the rubber closes up.
Yeah.
But obviously it's damaged and it's going to leak.
Yeah.
So, and same with like a key puncturing through, it's going to still make a puncture.
As soon as it gets through that inner liner in the tire, it'll just start leaking, whether it's a slow leak, sometimes really fast right away. But at that point, it's time to bring it on in and let us take care of it.
So how does a plug work?
It's actually a plug patch we use here. I've got an example of it here. So we go through, we clean up the hole that's in there, make sure that none of the wires or anything are going to be poking it. Go through the inside of the tire to actually plug it from both the inside and through the hole itself. And this typically lasts the life of the tire then.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So some of these things that if the tire is repairable, we repair for free.
Absolutely. We've done quite a few last year too.
I believe the number is 8,195 repairs in 2023.
Well, that's quite a few.
So, if you have this happen and you have a flat tire, come in and check it out. We'll see if it's repairable.
We'd be more than happy to take a look at
and add your object to the jar.
There's plenty of room in here still. So, we're excited to see all the new stuff that'll come on in.
Yeah. Thank you, Heather. And we'll see you next time.